In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Gumroad username. Changing your username on Gumroad is a quick process, but it can be a bit hidden if you're not sure where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each click so you can confidently update your username and make sure your profile looks exactly the way you want it to. First, open your web browser and go to your Gumroad dashboard. If you're not already logged in, sign into your account so you land on the main dashboard page. This is the page where you normally see your products, sales, and analytics. We'll be starting from here because all of your account settings are accessible from this area. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see your account name or profile name displayed there. Go ahead and click on that name. This opens a small menu related to your account, and from here you'll be able to get to your profile settings. In the menu that appears, click on the option labeled Profile. This will take you to your public profile page, which is what your customers or audience might see when they visit your Gumroad link. It usually shows your display name, bio, and any featured products you have. On this profile page, look for a small pen or pencil icon, usually near your name or in the top section of the page. That pen icon is the edit button for your profile. Click on it to enter editing mode. This will open up the profile settings screen where you can change things like your display name, description, and most importantly, your username. Now, find the field labeled username. Click inside that box and type the new username you want to use. Take a moment to think about this because your username often becomes part of your profile URL and how people recognize you. Make sure it's clear, easy to remember, and matches your brand or personal identity. If Gumroad tells you the username is taken, try a slight variation until you find one that's available. After you've entered your new username and double check the spelling, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Update Settings button. This saves your changes and applies the new username to your account. Wait a second for the page to refresh and you should now see your updated username reflected in your profile. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Gumroad username.